Hey everyone, hope you all are doing well. Before starting with this video, let me take a moment to wish you all a very happy new year. So for this Lohri, I have come up with this gorgeous blue eyes as I realized most of the time I create subtle makeup as I love them. So this time, since it's winter also and it's easier to carry a bit heavier makeup this time, I went for this blue cut crease eye makeup. Let me know how did you find it in the below comment section, and if you wish to find me on Instagram, this is my page and you will find the link to this profile in the description box. If you are new here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe and the like button to help me grow and to get more such contents. For this video, I have decided not to put the voiceovers throughout, but will just explain the eye makeup because everything else is very easy. So let's just get this started. Okay, so I'm taking this light pink as a transitional shade and I will be using this to just intensify the crease area first, and the brush I'm using here is from Morphe and the brush number is M514. So the next I'm taking this little darker pink with the same brush and I'll use it to intensify the crease area a little more, and in this way we are going to build up the shade we want here. Now I'll be using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade 25 medium, and using a tiny flat shader brush I'll just cut the crease area to just prepare it for the next bright colors. Next, from this MAC Chromat palette, I'll be taking this bright cobalt blue, and with the help of this flat brush I'll start by patting it over the concealed area. Next, from the same MAC Chromat palette, I'll be taking this shimmery navy blue with the same Wet n Wild flat brush, and I'll start by intensifying the edges, or you can say both the corners of the eyes. Then I'm using this black from the You Can Be Twilight palette, and with this tiny flat brush from Morphe I'll just intensify the corners a little more. And while doing it, I'll just drag whatever is left on the brush a little bit inside towards the crease area to just intensify the crease a little more. And once it's done, I'm just using this M562 brush and I have taken that darker pink over here, and I'm just trying to give it a final overall blend using that pink. For the lower lash line, I'll just go with one by one of the same shades I have used for the upper lid, and this way I'll just try to put everything together.